What if everything you see, every galaxy, every star, even the entire Milky Way, is sitting inside a vast emptiness? Not just empty space, but a giant cosmic void, a region so enormous it could change how we understand the entire universe. Because here's the strange part. When scientists measure how fast the universe is expanding, they keep getting two different answers. One says the universe is expanding at one rate, another says it's expanding faster. Both are backed by solid evidence, and yet they don't agree. This is known as the Hubble tension, one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in modern cosmology. So what's going on? Well, one controversial idea suggests something shocking. What if the problem isn't the universe, but where we are inside it? Imagine this. Instead of being evenly spread out, galaxies across the universe form a kind of cosmic web. Clusters, filaments, and in between them, enormous empty regions called voids. Some of these voids are hundreds of millions of light years across, almost nothing inside them. Now here's where it gets interesting. What if we are inside one of these voids, a particularly large one? If that were true, the space around us would be less dense than average. And that changes everything, because gravity behaves differently depending on how much matter surrounds you. Inside a low-density region, there's less gravitational pull slowing things down. So galaxies would appear to move away from us faster than expected. From our perspective, it would look like the universe is expanding faster than it really is. And just like that, the mismatch in measurements might make sense. But how big would this void need to be? Enormous. Some estimates suggest a void over 1 billion light years wide, often referred to as the local void or even a super void. A structure so large, it challenges the idea that the universe is uniform on big scales. Because according to standard cosmology, matter should be evenly distributed when you zoom out far enough. But if we're inside a giant void, that assumption might not hold. And that's a big deal, because much of modern cosmology is built on that principle. Now, scientists have looked for evidence of such a void, and there are hints. Maps of galaxies show underdense regions near our cosmic neighborhood. There's even something called the KBC void, a proposed large-scale region with fewer galaxies than expected. But here's the problem. Not all observations agree. Some data suggests the void isn't big enough. Others say it shouldn't affect measurements this much. And many scientists argue that the explanation lies elsewhere. Maybe in new physics. Maybe in dark energy behaving differently than we think. Or maybe in something we haven't even discovered yet. So are we really inside a giant cosmic void? Right now, we don't know. But if we are, it would mean something deeply unsettling. That our view of the universe is biased. That our position in space is not typical. And that what we think is a universal truth might just be a local illusion. Which raises an even bigger question. If our place in the universe can distort reality on this scale, what else are we getting wrong? Because sometimes the biggest mysteries aren't out there in the stars. They're hidden in the assumptions we don't question.